Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Drift, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Drift, begin by visiting the official Drift website. Locate the download button on the home page. Click on the download button to start the process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Find the Drift installation file and double-click to open it. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the installation. Read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Choose the installation directory or stick with the default location. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the installer. Now, locate the Drift application on your device. Double-click the icon to launch Drift for the first time. You may be prompted to create an account or log in. Follow the instructions to set up your account. After logging in, you can start using Drift. Explore the features and customize settings to suit your needs. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Drift. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.